We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your children. Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
This is William here, Leave Reality Behind Adventures. If you can tell, I'm actually at Soarin' in the Land Pavilion right outside of Sunshine Seasons, and we're waiting for one of our subscribers for our channel. We've been with our channel over a year, Camryn Gleason. She has a pretty cool little YouTube channel also, but she has something that she's doing that a lot of people have never done or could attempt, but she is trying to ride Soarin' more than anyone else who has ever done it. So we're checking up with her today. She's been here all day long. It's now after 5 o'clock, and she's been riding this ride all day long. So we're going to check in with her and see how she got to this point, especially with Soarin'. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Make your way around. Okay, so we are here today at the land, of course, with Camryn Gleason,
Yep.
who has ridden Soarin' more than anyone I know of. Plus, she can tell you a little bit why she's doing it, but we're going to ask her some questions. See her uniform? It is kind of just like one of the cast members here at Soarin'. She made it herself, she told me that, which is cool. So we're going to just ask her a few questions and we'll see how this goes. So the first time we ever met Camryn, she had this model of the Soarin' ride vehicle in her hands coming off of the ride. Melinda and I saw it and we were just blown away. And come to find out, she had built all of these. What talent at such a young age. Check them out. These were all built by cardboard and paper by hand. Awesome. Just awesome. All right, Camryn. How many times have you ridden Soarin'?
I think in my life, probably like 235.
235. Wow. How many have you ridden today?
12.
12. Now, mind you, she's been here for how long today?
Since park opening, 9:30.
At 9:30 in the morning. She's been here all day, and she's only been able to get on 12 times. That kind of lets you know how busy they are.
It's very busy.
All right. So, have you taken off for lunch? Anything? Really?
Nothing.
Wow. Okay.
I got snacks in my bag.
Awesome. When did you start this quest?
So it started way back in July 2020 when the parks were reopening from COVID. I knew there was going to be nobody here, and Epcot is going to be under construction, so I just thought, yeah, there's nothing to do at Epcot. I'm going to try and ride my favorite ride and see how many times I can get on. Since
Done anything like this prior to 220? Really? Okay. So the neat thing about it is, what was your largest amount that you've ridden it in a day?
38.
38.
Yeah. One
Wow.
day. Park open to park closed.
38 times.
Yeah.
So did they just let you stay on the ride?
A few times they let me stay on, and a few times they had me go through the fast pass, but in July 2020 when I went, I had none of that and I got 28
Wow.
because this line was just short.
Wow, because I met you here around this time last year, wasn't it? There wasn't a lot of people here.
Yeah.
A lot of people. And the neat thing about it was we just passed in speaking, and I noticed your outfit, and then I also noticed you had almost like a replica of the system that they use in this ride,
Yep.
right? And you made that all yourself, right?
Yeah, no instructions. I just made it all.
Just boom.
Yep.
One day we will do something on that, I promise. I've actually asked her about that a few times, and It just didn't work out this time, but we'll get it sooner or later. So what is your actual goal on soaring? That's all.
I don't know. I guess it's just, I don't know. It's just kind of my thing to do. Not many people. Not many people in my hometown like care about any of this Disney stuff. So I kind of want to have something that I can do that is fun for me, and I really liked Disney. I started liking it like a few years ago.
And you want it.
Yeah.
That's your thing. That's your thing. Nobody can take that away from you.
So when I'm here, I like to be bold and kind of like shine out and stand out above everybody else.
I don't blame you.
To do what I like, and it's fun.
Awesome. That is so cool. Do you have any words for any of my subscribers or yours? Because I do want you to make sure you tell them your channel, your Instagram, whatever you want out there. But for other kids that want to do this, any tips? Get in line?
Yeah, get in line, stick to your goal, don't give up. When my record was 28, I kept trying to beat it trip after trip, and I couldn't beat it until like August, my last trip. So I thought 28 was going to be the record until I kept going. So,
see, never give up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
My YouTube is Camryn Gleason.
Check it out. It is really cool. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Oh. want to do.
That's fine.
Yeah, it is fine. I was just teasing. Hey, thanks, Camryn. We really appreciate you sharing your story with us, and we cannot wait to see what you do next. Please check out Camryn's YouTube channel at Camryn Gleason. We'll put a link down below, and thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.